Do you want to be able to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to actually go into our TikTok app, and you need to have another TikTok account for this to work, just so you know. So you need to basically log into your second TikTok account, and now when you have done so, then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. So come to your profile on the second account, and in here I'm going to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and in here I'm going to click where it says settings and privacy. And as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is perfect. I'm just going to scroll down in here and then click where it says report a problem. So click here on report a problem. It's just going to load here for us, and perfect. As you can see, we're now taken here. I'm just going to scroll all the way down in here and then click on submit a report. So click on submit a report. Just going to load here for us, and perfect. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is great. In here we're actually able to contact the TikTok customer service basically. So now I'm just going to write like this: my TikTok account, and then write the username of that TikTok account that was banned, basically was banned wrongfully, sorry. Was banned wrongfully. This account should be reinstated again because it's not violating any TikTok community guidelines. So write exactly like this, basically: my TikTok account, and then of course write the exact username of that TikTok account that was banned wrongfully. This account should be reinstated again because it's not violating any TikTok community guidelines. Now when you're done, just click on submit. It will take about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to actually respond back to you. They will respond back to you, probably give them any they want to have any reasons why they should reinstate it again. They're going to write why do you think that account was banned wrongfully? So you need to give them some kind of reason why you think that account was banned wrongfully. So you can write, for example, that you don't think that account did actually violate any community guidelines. You were just basically doing normal videos or something like that. You need to basically explain to them as much as you can why that account should be reinstated, and hopefully after that this problem will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.